Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the euro dollar monthly, I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is not going to be a correction. I think this is going to be a trend. I think it's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Most likely take out these highs before we even get the end of this uptrend. I think this whole move down is all one big overlapping correction, and I think there's a very good likelihood this right here is the end of that correction. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can actually start to see the higher highs, higher lows that make up this uptrend. I think there's a good likelihood this is a 1. I think there's a very good chance this move down is a 2. And I think this is going to keep on going up for what I believe to be a 3, eventually making a wave 3, 4, and wave 5, basically just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So let's take it down even further to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can definitely start to see the uptrend for what I think is a 1. I think this is an ABC of 2, and I think there's a very good likelihood this move up is a wave 3. Now, that doesn't mean that we won't get some pullbacks. We could even see like a big pullback for a wave 2 of 3, but there's definitely no reason to think that's happening yet, and I still very easily could picture this just continuing the uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows, especially if this really is a wave 3. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci extension off the bottom of this move right here because I'm looking for a place where this may end up turning. At this point, I think it's going up at least to this level, and looking at the higher time frames, if it really is a wave 3, I wouldn't be surprised if it just kept on trending up, making them higher highs, higher lows, telling me that I am definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, really, we've only had one opportunity to get in this besides the bottom back here. That was definitely an ABC correction. That was definitely the end of that correction. I definitely don't think that this trend is over. I think it will go up at least to the 78%. And at that level, if it does turn and if it does take out structure, maybe that will be the end of something. But I think it's more likely to just keep making higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up, especially if we really are in a big wave 3 on the longer time frames, which I do think we are. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.